Shipor kapati TV. Kabul, machine kabalas nakarpang kabakhamskem, khamstet, khamklan, batbaduna bam umpnya.
Myntri Tnat Bording ka Sorkar Jala, Med paling do ulaitu, ba kipad ba kimde banda khuslai ya ka Jingpynlip Bording, namar ba kalong ka batang Shipor, ban pendat ya kitiar ki bathamai, bat ban pentrikam ya ki skim ki bathamai. Haka jingkran bat kilat patai kubor, haka laitrik unai wing arajar arpsan, Med ba ubatai ba ka Jingpynlip Bording batang Shipor, kamde satia ka load shedding, namar swaban pelip ya ka boarding haki shinong, ka Tnat ka jubha pelip sa kipad ba, ling ba kiramba shinong, bat kisor dar shinong.
That's not, in fact, power cut. It's basically the shutdown that they have to take place because a lot of what they call obligation, lot of schemes, new schemes which are being introduced. They are in progress of work, where at the end of the day, like the line to be drawn, a new line to be drawn, and then a new substation is to be activated, and so on. So definitely, at that point of time, it needs the thing to be shut down so that the substations or the limestone can be activated.
No, is there any mechanism?
They do inform, in fact, locally, wherever those areas or those places are being affected, they are very much coordinating, informing their local headmen, Sardar, and so on. In fact, they are informed about it. I have taken up this case very seriously, but I am aware very much that it's because of those obligation and replacing of lines and substations. As far as load shedding is concerned, as of now, I have done the review. I'll be doing more review on this, and we will try to ensure that there is no power cut, even during the dry season. I will share with you perhaps in maybe a few weeks' time, perhaps how do we move forward during the dry season. But I think from my side, I'm confident that the corporation is doing its best to see that there's no unnecessary power cut as far as the power supply is concerned to the people of the state.
Come on, Barbie, let's go party.